we're showing you for the first time ever an HP T410 system printing as a technology demonstration at 800 feet per minute in color. I'd like to show you how that's done. We start off here with blank rolls. This is using a gloss-coated stock. This is 2 rolls mounted in a zero-speed splicer. With the splicer, the benefit, especially when we're running at 800 feet per minute, is that it makes the roll changes faster. The operator preps the rolls ahead of time, and then when it's time for the roll change, the machine automatically changes the roll and the machine keeps on printing. All right, let's go see the machine. Here we are. This is a T410 product family. It's running the technology demonstration at 800 feet per minute. This one here, we're looking at print engine 1, print side 1, and then over there we have print engine 2, which prints side 2. So let's take a closer look at print engine 1 since we're right here. The print bars and the print heads are all here across the top. This is where the ink is getting laid down. Then the paper goes inside through a dryer and then goes to the next side. Let's talk a little bit more about the different stations here. The first station, or first set of print bars, is with bonding agent. This is a colorless fluid which gets printed on standard uncoated stocks and allows the pigments in the ink to be kept at the surface of the paper. That allows for dark blacks, vibrant colors, and a low strike through and crisp edges. The next station is the black station. We have 2 print bars for black, then we have 2 print bars for cyan, magenta, and then yellow. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how this technology works to enable 800 feet per minute as a demonstration. It starts with the print head. This print head is a scalable printing technology. It's thermal inkjet. One of the benefits of this technology is it can put a lot of nozzles in a small space. So this print head has 10,560 nozzles. Each of those nozzles are on a 1200 DPI nozzle spacing. It's a lot of nozzles, and with that many nozzles we can print with literally hundreds of them out and not see a perceptible difference in the quality. Now, in terms of the 800 feet per minute, we've had some innovations in terms of the little nozzle designs that are on this print head. I'd like to show you the screen here, which shows what a conventional nozzle looks like. You can see that it is a circle, and in order to get to the speeds and have the high print quality that we have at the current 400 and 600 feet per minute, the engineering team developed a non-circular bore design which looks a little bit like a bow tie, and that enables this machine to print at 800 feet per minute with the same print quality as the other speeds. And we're able to look inside the press while it's printing. And so what we had talked about before was with the print heads and that they're in the print bars that are across the top arch. Once the paper is printed on, then it can go inside through the dryer, and then it goes out of the machine. The dryer, here we have 3 stages of drying which are configurable for the type of work that you are running. Right here you see the colors changing. That is an inline process monitor on the press, and it's watching for the nozzle health on the machine as we are printing. And so when it changes colors, what it's doing is maximizing the contrast for the various colored ink that is being printed. Now let's take a closer look at the user station at the press. This is the main screen where the operator is looking at the main elements of the press and how well the machine is running, and they can control the machine from there. What's on this side of the screen is a video capture of the images as they're running through the press, and so the operator can look at the images as they're running and look for defects that way. The one thing to note about this machine, it's printing up to 175 million images per month with this level of productivity. It's a lot of data that goes in. All the data on this machine is processed through the SmartStream Production Elite print server. And that print server is scalable for any amount of jobs that you have, from a small job all the way up to this massive amount of image that's being processed today. And HP works with a wide variety of partners to deliver full end-to-end solutions. I'm going to walk through some of the representative examples who we have here on the show floor at Drupa. One of them here is from Wiko. It's a moisturizer which helps enable creating flat books. This device here is a Videc vision system which looks for data verification of what is being printed. The machine over here that we're now looking at, this is an EMT punch unit, and this will do dynamic perforations across the web in different coupons, configurations. You can do vertical, horizontal. And the last machine on the end of the line here is a Megtech turret rewinder. What it does is it allows the machine to keep on printing while it's offloading a roll. So it finishes one roll and then starts winding onto the core of the next roll. So the machine can just keep on printing.